In this video we're going to look at the MDU Classic install journey. And remember, all install journeys should only be completed by MDU trained engineers. So from the home menu, let's navigate down to MDU. Once you're in MDU, we need to pick install or service. In this example, we're going to pick an install in classic mode. Now let's collect our fly lead to the faceplate, and if the system is a dual feed system, at this point this step does not have to be completed. So at this point the test 1 bench check will be run in SCR mode, and the following 4 steps 2 to 5 will be run in classic or standard mode. Throughout each journey the meter will automatically select which mode it should be testing in. The bench check will perform an SCR bench check across 3 preset user bands, and this will indicate if an SCR switch is present. If an SCR switch is found to be present on site, then you can proceed to install the Sky+HD box correctly for this type of switch. This will provide the customer then with the full functionality of the Sky+HD box from a single feed system. Remembering you will need to alter the box's LNB type to SCR band, and then set channel 1 and channel 2 to either channel 9, 11 or 14 in any of those combinations, and then install a 2-way splitter. The next test will perform a dish alignment check. Press OK to continue. This will then perform the dish check. This check will now check 5 other transponders across different polarities. Once this is complete, we can move on to doing the SAT1 logger. Please note at this stage we have speeded up the sequence in the video. Once the logger is complete, press OK to review your data. Here we can see all checks have passed, including the bench check, as in this example there was an SCR available. So we're happy so far. Let's do a SAT2 logger. Remember, if the communal system is a dual field system, then SAT1 and SAT2 should be done respectively on the faceplate. If the system is single feed, then the second logger should be done at the end of the cable, which is intended to be plugged into the box. After doing the SAT2 logger, we can see we now have all 5 green ticks, and we also have the more important pieces, the 4 pieces of compliance data. In this example, there was an SCR available, hence the green tick against the bench check. If any of the tests should produce a fail, then you can investigate any failures by using the fault finding menu named Other to access additional fault finding tools. When you are completing a classic install on an MDU system, all of these readings should be taken from the faceplate. However, if you're MDU trained, you should access the head end, fix any issues that need resolving, and then rerun any tests which have failed. Please note the H30 meter parameters are set between 52 to 92 dB microvolts for a pass or fail status. Thanks for watching. If you need any more info, head over to the taps portal, which can be found in your H30 app.